How's it going? My name's Hannah and I am with SurfPrep, and we are in the workshop today. We've got people sanding, moving and grooving, and we're having a lot of fun with PaintShack. We are a family-run business out of Southern California, and we take pride in everything we do, and we only put the best products out on the market. We are so pumped that our abrasives have finally made their way across the pond. So ProFoam abrasives were introduced into the market in 2008, and we won Woodworking Network's Visionary Award for productivity and innovation in sanding. And we have won multiple awards since. A lot of people might not know what SurfPrep means. We are all things surface preparation. So what makes SurfPrep different than other brands out there? This is something our entire SurfPrep family is really proud of and passionate about. And that is because our quality exceeds the price point. You are going to get the best value and the best product out there on the market. This is where SurfPrep's magic really happens. If I'm sanding curves, I'm using that 1/2-inch squishy. I'm able to sand moldings and different shapes and radiuses. If I'm going to be sanding flats, I am able to switch that hook and loop Velcro really easily, and now I'm able to sand into corners and flat surfaces and move really smoothly and get the job done. We always say imitation is the best form of flattery, but nothing is going to beat SurfPrep branded products.